morality is dependent on technology. There's quite a few examples you can draw from this one. Civilizations that have greater technology, vastly greater technology, will invade ones with lesser or subjugate them in some way. This is true on a historical basis. You could make like a hierarchy. You would do invade, tax, colonize, etc. Levels dependent on technological disparity, how great it is. So we could use like, okay, Europeans versus Native Americans. If Native Americans had far superior technology to what they did, like more on par with Europe, that obviously wouldn't have gone the same way. They might have traded, they might have tried to colonize them like they did other countries like India over time. It depends more so on that than any sort of inherent morality. That's the defining factor. And if it was the other way, it might have happened the opposite. If, a victim country had far greater technology, they might have been the invader. So the defining factor wasn't some sort of inherent moral state, it's their ability to do things based on their technology at the time, especially compared to everybody else. And then the moral state. And then also another good example here is like take away electricity from modern society, let's say, they would revert to ancient moral standards, right? They would do whatever they had to do. So, in other words, false inherent goodness or morality with the age is actually a product of technology possessed. So if you take away the technology, you're no more or less moral than, let's say, 10,000 BC with the advent of farming or something along those lines.